This is my died. Oh, my grandma's kitten, one of the two that she's getting. Oh, okay, well, I get to go jump today. This is the other one. Mom, don't zoom into the nose. It's bad. This is Tiger. She's sleeping. She won't wake. And this is Snow, our kitty. You're not looking at Snow, Mom.
I'm looking at who I want to look at.
And, okay, someone wants to be Kippertub. DJ Nemo.
You weirdo.
This is DJ Guppy.
You weirdo.
And DJ Snow. And sleeping DJ Tiger.
Put Tiger back down. Tiger's sleepy.
But it was funny, right? Hi. How's my mouth look? How's my hair look? I want to push the girls out there.
Is that
watching
the one
this video.
that cries when you touch it when it's sleeping?
They like to bite. And no going down, Tiger. The movie's not over. She's adorable. Give me a weird look. She wants to impress the boys out there watching. And look at this guy. He wants to impress the girls out there watching. So is this guy. But he's not really doing it while he's sleeping. Wake up, DJ Nemo. How's DJ Guppy doing? Well, I'm fine. I like kittens to play with like my sister. I want to go cuddle up over there. Even though I don't know what the heck it is. I want my brother. Yippee. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm famous. Oh my gosh, how are the boys out there? But hi, I'm famous. Oh my gosh. I gotta go take a poo-poo. How are the girls out there, sisters?
Okay, hug them all. You hold them all. And let me get some pictures of you with them all.
Hi. Is this still a movie?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Where's Tiger? Tiger, my sweet bones. I got Tiger. Hi, DJ Tiger. How you doing? Oh, nothing. Oh my gosh, famous not. I'm a tomboy. I like it rough. Don't I look like a tomboy? Shauna!
Yes, you look like a tomboy.
Okay, good. My sub owner, I better know that. My mom's owner! Ping, pong, pow. Oh.
Weirdo.
Tiger! Bad kitty! You don't hurt me! Hey, let me go, you idiotic girl. Tomboy. Girly girl. Oh, shut up. Leave it. You know how you're supposed to be talking, Tiger.